Good morning, everyone. It is an immense privilege to be here at the 15th International Conference on Interdisciplinary Research for Sustainable Development. This is Dr. NIYAS AHAMED, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics Engineering, VLSI Design and Technology, RMK Engineering College, Thiruvallur. Looking at our beautiful earth, it is clear we stand at a pivotal moment. My talk today titled Anticipating Tomorrow, the forward looking lens of interdisciplinary sustainability aims to underscore a critical truth. Sustainability isn't just about preserving what we have, it's about actively shaping the future through bold interconnect solutions. For too long, we have tackled complex global challenges in silos, but the reality is issues like climate change, poverty, and resource scarcity don't respect disciplinary boundaries. They demand a holistic approach, and the good news is we are seeing real progress. The Global Sustainability Index rising 12% over the last decade in the testament to the incredible work happening across sectors, driven by a growing understanding that interdisciplinary collaboration is not just an option but a necessity. This rise isn't just a number, it represents innovations in technology, shifts in policy, changes in societal behavior are fueled by the researchers and researching across conventional divides. While technology provides the tools, its effective policy frameworks that create the enabling environment for sustainable innovation to truly flourish and scale. This is where the intersection of economics, law, political science, and environmental studies becomes paramount. First, government initiatives, subsidies, and tax breaks are not just financial instruments. They are powerful signals from governments to industries and individuals, encouraging the adoption of green technologies and sustainable practices. They de risk investments in new, often pioneering, sustainable solutions, accelerating their market penetration. This requires economists, policy analysts, and industry experts working together to design the initiatives that are effective and equitable. Next, we have to international agreements such as a Paris Agreement and the UN Sustainable Development Goals. These are just diplomatic declarations, they are global blueprints that guide sustainability action across nations. They set common targets, foster shared responsibility, and create a framework for international cooperations on issues that national borders. The Sustainable Development Goals, in particularly, are a master class in interdisciplinary thinking, recognizing the environmental, social, and economic progress are interexably linked. And finally, carbon pricing mechanisms. They are tangible examples of how economic tools can drive environmental outcomes. The fact that the implement policies have already reduced the emissions by 15% demonstrates their direct impact. This involves collaborations between economists, environmental scientists, legal experts, and even sociologists to understand how these policies affect behavior and ensure a just a transition. These policy frameworks are the critical levers that translate scientific understanding and technological capabilities into widespread actions. Crucial to effective sustainable development is the ability to measure our progress and ensure accountability. This is where the intersection of data science, environmental science, business strategy, and even auditing comes into a play. Creating robust frameworks for performance tracking Firstly, ESG matrices, environmental, social, and governance. These provide a standardized lens through which we can access the corporate sustainability and ensure transparency. They empower investors, consumers, and regulators to hold the organizations accountable for their impact beyond financial returns. Next one is life cycle assessment. This is a scientific methodology that allows us to track the environmental impact of the product or services from its raw material extraction to its disposal. It is a powerful interdisciplinary tool for identifying true environmental hotspots and designing more sustainable products. And finally, science based targets. These are organizational goals for reducing greenhouse gas emissions that are aligned with the latest climate science, ensuring that corporate actions contribute to limiting global warming to well below 2 degrees centigrade. This is a direct bridge between climate research and cooperative strategies, providing a clear roadmap for emission reduction. These reporting mechanisms are vital. They move sustainability from aspirations to measurable actions, allowing us to learn, adapt, and accelerate our collective journey towards a truly sustainable tomorrow. They show us what's working and where we need to innovate further. To bring these concepts to life, let's look at some inspiring case studies in the interdisciplinary sustainability, real world examples of success. Take Costa Rica, a true leader powered by 98% renewable energy. This incredible feat is the result of decades of integrated policies, technological investment, and a strong national commitment to conservation, involving energy experts, policymakers, and ecologists working in the concert. Next, Bhutan, which not only achieves but maintains carbon negative status. Their unique development philosophy, gross national happiness, integrates conservation and reforestation at its core, demonstrating a profound interdisciplinary commitment across culture, economics, and environmental stewardship. And finally, Amsterdam, a pioneer in circular economy initiatives, significantly reducing urban waste. This requires innovative design, smart logistics, and active community engagement, showcasing how urban planning, business, and social innovation can coverage. These examples are just isolated victories, they are beacons demonstrating the tangible, powerful outcomes when we truly embrace interdisciplinary approaches for sustainable development. As we conclude the path forward, charting the course, collaborative actions for a sustainable tomorrow is clear. It is a clinical reinforcing journey that demonstrates continuous interdisciplinary engagement. At its heart, it starts with partnerships. We have seen how crucial it is to link governments, business, and communities. No single entity holds all the answers. Collective impact comes from breaking down silos and building bridges. This leads to research and development. These robust partnerships create a fertile ground for investing in innovation and producing scalable, sustainable solutions. The technology, policies, and the social innovations we have discussed, it's about applied interdisciplinary research translating into a real world change. And finally, this all cumulates is a clear call to actions. We must each engage actively, whether in our research, our organizations, or our daily lives to build a resilient and sustainable future. This conference itself is a testament to this call to actions, fostering the very connections needed. The insights from every discipline, when woven together, become the fabric of a truly sustainable tomorrow. The urgency of our global challenges demands nothing less than our collective interdisciplinary effort. Thank you.